In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the Internet Download Manager. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure to watch this video right into the end for the full steps, and let's get right into this video. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser. So personally, I go and use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you would like. So here we are, and then all you need to do is come to a search engine. And then once you're here, go and search for the Internet Download Manager, and make sure you go to the official website, so do keep watching them, showing the exact one. Just go and type it in just like so, Internet Download Manager. Then all you want to do is search for that. And after you search for it, the official website is www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Here it is. So let's go and click on it, and here we are. So if you haven't actually got it before, I recommend trying out the trial, as that's going to sort of help you find out if it's going to work for you. And if it works for you, you can then go and purchase it after the 30-day trial. So I'm just going to go and click try IDM 30 days free trial just here, and then it's going to go and drop the download into my downloads bar. And it's important to know that every browser is slightly different, and your downloads are not always going to appear in the bottom. They may be in the top right, they may be in the top left, but you're always going to find your downloads in your File Explorer in your downloads folder in there. So go and open that up and you'll be able to find it. So the next thing you need to do is go and click on the installer, and you're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't go and record that, so I just go and skip it. And the installation wizard is going to go and appear. So just go and click next, just like so, and you need to go and agree to the terms in the license. I've already read this before, so I'm going to go and click next. And then you can go and choose if you want to have an icon for IDM, Internet Download Manager, and you can also choose where you want it to be installed. That's fine with me, so I'm going to go and press next, and then I'm going to go and press next again, and now it's installing it, and it's really quick, it's already finished. Then you can go and click finish just like so. And just before we go and open it up, I had this quick notification about it being integrated into my Google Chrome browser, because that's the browser I use. But now let's go and double click it from your desktop, or if it's not on your desktop, you can always just go and click on the magnifying glass in your Windows 11 search bar, Windows 10 search bar, and go and search for it there. So I'm going to go and click on it just like so, and here we are. So I'm just going to go and click close for now. We've got a full guide on how you can go and use the Internet Download Manager on their channel, so make sure you go and check that out. But briefly, all you need to do is press add URL, and then you can go and enter the address with the download, and then you can go and download it in here, and it's going to be a lot faster than your usual browser. But we've got a full video on that. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.